Hello everyone, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So without wasting any moment, let's start with our today's video. So we are going to create our own customized stickers today.
Yay!
For this, the four main things needed are a drawing sheet, a sellotape, a parchment paper or butter paper and scissors. And of course, paints and other stuff to make your stickers colorful and pretty. It depends on how attractive you want your stickers to be, but these four are the main. At first, draw your sketches on the drawing sheet. It can be anything you wish to customize as a sticker. For me, I went with animals, my own customized cute animal stickers. Yeah. So quickly, making the sketches first. A fox, panda, cat, dog, rabbit and a squirrel. You can keep them simple like these or can also add details. It's all up to you. Follow the process, be creative and make your own awesome goodies. So my drawing is ready. First step done. Moving further, I'll start with the painting. Today, I am using poster colors.
What? Poster colors? You always use acrylic paints. Then what about them? Why poster colors?
Yes, I know. Poster colors. No acrylic because poster colors are gonna rule and shine today. Poster colors helps to create patterns and textures cause they are water soluble. Easy to use on paper, guys. And beside that, this is my first time trying poster colors on screen. Hope you love it. So the steps are going to be same. Applying the base color first and then adding shadows and highlights with darker and lighter shades. Well, if you don't feel comfortable using paints, you can go ahead and use color pencils or markers. Well, I totally love the outcomes of these 6 animals. Came out to be so cute. Comment down which among these 6 you like the most. Also, my dear friends, a big thank you for subscribing to my channel. Lots and lots of love. One more thing. Do drop your suggestions regarding the topic for new video in the comment box below. It can be anything related to art, DIY, canvas painting or even trying an art hack. Or you can even challenge me something. It could be fun. So my painting work is done and now adding a few last touch-ups and outlining them. And then done.
So cute!
So now, cut your fully prepared ready to be stickers just like these, leaving few centimeters of white border around them. Careful with the scissors, guys. After your cutouts are ready, take your parchment sheet or butter paper and stick a tape on it. Keep your cutouts on the tape and stick another tape on them, just as shown. Follow the same process for the rest. So the sellotape below the cutouts will be our sticky part and then sellotape above the cutouts will help the cutouts to shine as stickers are and will also help them to be placed between the two sellotapes. And since the parchment sheet or butter paper has non-stick surface, we will easily be able to peel off the sellotape to get our stickers.
It's magic! It's magic! It's magic!
So finally, cut them out again, leaving few centimeters of butter paper or parchment sheet as shown. Peel off the below sellotape and you will get your ready to use your own customized stickers. Very easy, right? Like and share this video and stay tuned for next week. Bye bye and take care.